Gitanjali song offerings by my Acharya Gurudeva, Rabindranath Tagore ji. Tagore ji, particularly this Gitanjali, my inspiration, my strength, and my divine also. And I would say Rabindranath Tagore ji, Vishwatma, Jiva Jyoti hai, Divya Jyoti hai. Some ideologically, some minute difference between Mahatma Gandhi ji, Subhash Chandra Bose ji, and Tagore ji, Vallabhbhai ji. But their goal is one. Their path is different. Their goal is one. And according to me, first to Rabindranath ji wish, he asked hope and dreams. Subhash Chandra Bose to be the first Prime Minister of India. And I don't know, now I am knowing that too, after receiving of this Vishwa Bharatiya Gitanjali Prashasti Puraskar and that Sanman felicitation taken by Bankim Chattopadhyay's I am studying something of the history of Congress. Some fishing is happening. Some doubts are there. Why genius, crystal peoples, and who struggled, who sacrificed to our freedom, how they disappeared from this soil? Some question is there with me. Some rising of some questioning. I'm not belongs to any party. I'm not left state. I'm not rightist. I'm lefist. So, in this aspect, we have to carry Subhash Chandra Bose, Rabindranath Tagore ji, Arvind Ghosh, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Vivekananda, Mata Sharada Devi, to each and every corner of the people. We have to care, particularly youngsters and children, because nowadays I am observing that we don't know the value of freedom. Here in Calcutta, some rich sources are. They have lived, they have given beautiful steps here. Paramahamsa, Mate Sharada Devi, Vivekananda, Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chatterjee, Subhash Chandra Bose, like that, so many, both experience, philosophical, spiritual, and freedom, like that. We have to carry this, their messages, their thoughts, their dreams, their desire to our, especially younger generation, and particularly we hopes, because tomorrow's hopes is our children. We have to carry it day by day. Janaganamana is not a song, it's our life. Vande Mataram is not a song. A Gita Anantate, it's in infinity. Like that Gitanjali also for us, Anantate. They inspired a lot of Kannada poets. Tolstoy inspired so many people. Rabindranath Tagore ji inspired even me, I'm inspired a lot. This Gitanjali is divine for me. It's divine, deep in divine. It's me. So, what I say to coming engaged, we have to, particularly, I don't know, traditional things. Our politicians never know what is the meaning of politics. They never know. Politics is a service. Health is a service. Education is a service. The politician made health into business, education into business, and politics also business. Some 3 months ago, I asked one person, what's your profession, what are you doing? I do political business. See the tragedical things. First, I request my politicians to clean yourself. స్వచ్ఛత, ప్రామాణికత, నైతికత, మానవత, హ్యుమానిటీ, లవ్, కేర్, కంపాషన్, ఈక్వాలిటీ. This should be, we have to, these seeds, we have to. So my humble request means, I'm not teasing, I'm not cursing anyone, I'm suffering, I'm still struggling because my untouchable and depressed, suppressed, particularly they don't have facilities. So many common people still suffering, still, especially I came from rural background. My Mahakavi is Kuempu, Jagadakavi, Yugadakavi, Dendre, Divya Kavi, Shivaram Karant, our Nadashuddha, Nudishuddha, Manashuddha. Like that, each and every part, some crystal character, I'm searching of it. Through that, Kuempu, Uluva Yogi Nodale, he written a song about farmers. Because what I say, Rabindranath Tagore ji, Subhash Chandra Bose, everybody give major preference to their farmers, Krishik. But today's thing is, see, I'll tell you one thing, honestly, to whoever it may be, whether Prime Minister ji, Pradhan Mantri ji, or Sadhu, Sannyasi, Jagat Guru, Vijnani, Tattvajnani, whatever it may be, IAS, IPS, whatever it may be, scientist, for all, one Mahaguru is there, one Bhagwan is there. For our hunger, for our meals and class, he is too working, struggling. ಬೆವರ ಕಾಣಿಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನು, ಉಳುವ ಯೋಗಿ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ वो गांव के लिए काम करता ना, वो सब लोग खाने के लिए कपड़ा के लिए किसान सबका भगवान है, सबकी भगवान है. उसका जिंदगी खलास हो गया, मटाश हो गया, आत्महत्या करता था. He is collapsed. My farmers, they never give, at least in this system, whatever the party, whatever the government, state government, central government, they never give justice to farmers. In the aspect, I request, my demand, my prayer, I request all state governments and central union ministers, at least fix minimum rate for their crop, especially vegetables, particularly one time, what I will say, so I'm sorry to say, I'm great gambler. I do agriculture also. He said, means it's nothing but, Mahabharata Chidurangarata, that chess play like that game, gambling. We made agriculture into gambling. One day rise, one day it collapse. What about our farmer situation? The farmer only know the pain of farmer. Some people, politicians came from farmer background, but they forget their roots, forget their path. They self, how to grab the money. They're greedy peoples. My politicians not needy peoples. They're very greedy peoples. Gandhiji told once, this earth fulfill everybody's needs, not greedy things. In this aspect, I request everybody to realize ourselves, confession ourselves, to read Gitanjali or Bankimathacharya, so good literature, my Kuempu's, Bendre's, like that, so many divine sources are there. And we are proud to say we are a peaceful country, we have great history, we are human beings. So we have to carry the valuables of ethics, principles, and good things to the society, carrying for that literature is more important. Culture is very important. We have to, through that, we have to clean this society. First, clean up society and make strength. We make whole world, whole India, we are one nation, one family, one world. Like that philosophical. Once again, I pranam karta hu, I respectfully, this my divine source. On the name of it, I got Vishwabharatiya Rashtriya Prashasti Puraskar of Gitanjali. मेरा जन्म धन्य. I'm very thankful. I'm grateful. We have to carry. That's why my simple on poetry also there. Kudona, Kattona, Balona, Pelagona. संग मिलेंगे, संग रचेंगे, संग जिएंगे, संग खिलेंगे. Let's come together, let's create together, let's live together, let's shine together, let's shine together. We're all one. Be good, do good, and through this I learned it, day good also. Thank you. Dhanyavad.